In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can pay for your US visa. So what you want to do is Google pay for US visa application online. So you can use Bing as well because that's what I'm using. You want to ensure this is the link that you are selecting, the one that says Schedule of US Visa MRV Fees. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see the cost of each visa. Now here you want to pay close attention to this piece of information here. Your US visa application fees are non-refundable, non-transferable, good only for one application, and expires after 1 year. So let's scroll up and select sign in. Now what you're going to do is select create an application. Scroll down and select the option that best applies to you. The information you're seeing on this page will be dependent on the country on which you are in. So select the option which best applies to you, then select continue. Scroll down. Here you're going to complete your personal information. If you want to receive text alerts, you can select this option, right? So select this option that says I have read and understood the privacy policy and the terms of use, and then select create account. So on this page, you're going to select what best applies to you and then select continue. Complete all the information on this page. Now your DS-160 number is your application number and it typically follows this format AA and some other numbers and letters after it. From the drop down, select your visa class. For this demonstration, I'll be going with B1, B2. Select your date of birth, select your gender, specify a phone number. You can agree to receive text alerts, confirm your email address, and answer these questions accordingly. Alright, so in my case it's no, and again it's no. Then select create applicant. Check all statements that apply. Within the last 6 months, where you refuse a US visa in the same class in which you're applying now, none of the above apply, and then select confirm. After you create applicant, you're going to review your information. Select yes. This information will be dependent on whatever you provide, so you may not see the screen, right? So I'm going to say none of the above applies, and then select confirm. Do you want to add another applicant? Select no. Depending on which country you're from, the information here will be different. So this is the location that you'll be required to pick up your visa, right? So select what best applies to you. Scroll down, and here is where you're going to specify the information for whoever is picking up that visa. So you can ask someone to pick up the visa on your behalf, but you have to ensure that their name is what you specify here. So if you note here, the courier clerk will release documents only if the ID presented by the person picking up the documents matches the information entered below. So you want to ensure that you enter this information accurately, right? So once you confirm your information, select continue, and then you'll be taken to the payment page. So scroll down and select your payment method, then select continue. Your application requires payment of 1 US visa MRV fee. Once you complete the payment, please note the following. Right, so we'd have gone over these already, so select this checkbox and select continue. And here you're going to provide the payment information. Now guys, this is a demo application and I do not want to make a payment. So what's going to happen next is that once your payment is completed, you'll be shown a calendar for you to select the appointment date. And then once you select your appointment date, you select next, confirm, and then you'll see some instructions on what to do. Not a lot, right? And that's basically it. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.